I try to give praise to my peers as often as I can. It boosts their morale and motivation. It strengthens the relationship that I have with that person. It encourages positive behavior, and it also boosts confidence. Plus, selfishly, it makes me feel good too. So let's see how Copilot can help me to do this every week. Here's the prompt. Today, I want to give praise to a peer. Create a table with the first column titled Colleague, the second column titled Weekly Praise. We fill the colleagues column by listing 5 peers are interacted with the most over Teams, chats, or emails. In the weekly praise column, fill a draft of written praise based on how I worked with that person during that week. And here's a great list. Let me go ahead and praise Jimmy. And what's cool about this as well, soon you'll be able to schedule these for every Friday. So on the Microsoft 365 roadmap, we currently have scheduled prompts. This is rolling out in October 2024, which allows you to schedule your prompt to run every Friday so you can give weekly praise. Wait a minute. You don't know how to give praise in Teams? Let me show you real quick. Here's the chat that I have with Jimmy. I had to blur this out because it gets wild sometimes. You hit the plus icon on the bottom right. You select praise, window pops up, and here you have Jimmy, this manager, and then you can add that personal note from the prompt right there. That's it. That's the Copilot prompt of the week. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Peace.